Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can deposit TON from Bybit to Binance. So once you are logged in on the Binance app on your mobile phone, simply go ahead and click on wallets at the bottom right and then go ahead and click on deposit. Now on the top you will need to go ahead and search for TON. So let us go ahead and search for TON and click on TON coin. And in the choose network you will need to select TON coin. And as you can see, they have mentioned that both memo and an address are required to successfully deposit your TON to Binance. So in this case, we would be requiring the address as well as the memo code. So simply go ahead and copy this address by clicking over here. Now head to Bybit. Now once you are here on Bybit, simply go ahead and click on assets at the bottom right. And if you want to go ahead and withdraw TON coin on Bybit, you will need to have TON in the funding account. So there are two types of account. One is a funding account and one is a unified trading account. Now let's say if your TON is in unified trading account, you will need to go ahead and click on transfer. And on the top you will need to select unified trading account to funding account and just put in the amount of TON and click on confirm. Within 5 to 10 seconds, TON would be transferred to your funding account. Now let me go ahead and open my funding account. And once you are here on the funding account, simply go ahead and click on withdraw. And as you can see, I have around 14 TON. So I will go ahead and withdraw 3.1 TON to my Binance centralized exchange account. So simply go ahead and click on TON. Now we'll go ahead and paste the address that we have copied from Binance and click on allow paste. And once again we'll double confirm whether the address matches. Okay, so the address is matching now. And in the network, you can go ahead and select TON. And as you can see, there is a minimum withdrawal fee of 0.1 TON, which is fine for me. Now over here, you will need to put a tag or memo code, which is also called as an identifier code. So simply head back to Binance, copy this tag or memo code, go back to Bybit and go ahead and paste it over here. And click on allow paste. Now go a bit down and choose the amount of TON that you want to go ahead and withdraw. So in this case, I would be going ahead and withdrawing 3.1 TON and then click anywhere. And then go ahead and click on withdraw and confirm the transaction. Now go ahead and click on get code. So Bybit will send a code on your email address, and also I have Google Authenticator enabled. So I will go ahead and put in both the codes. And once you input both the codes, go ahead and click on confirm. And as you can see, now the withdrawal application is submitted. And you can also tap on this view withdrawal history in the bottom. And as you can see, this TON is in withdrawal. Now wait for around 5 to 10 minutes for the TON to be reflected in your Binance account. And at times there might be some network load on the TON. So it might take around 3 hours also for the TON coin to be reflected in your Binance account. So it is this simple to go ahead and transfer TON from Bybit to Binance. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.